So let's go to Bob. Carly, I'm going to turn this over to you. Bob from Virginia wants to know what the legal definition of a change in circumstances is typically, and for in Oklahoma where they can, that's defined, and typically I think it's by statute. But what is a change in circumstances, Carly?
So it's vague for a reason. And I think it's vague so that the court has a lot of wiggle room. So a change in circumstance can mean really a variety of things. I always tell my clients that the more bricks we can lay in the wall, the stronger it is. So a bunch of little changes can accumulate together to be a big enough overall change in circumstances. And when we're talking about modifying child support, in Oklahoma, DHS likes to make things easy for themselves, so they just do a blanket if it's changed up or down 20%. And for my clients, I always like to start at that 20%. So as your income changed 20% or more during this time, and maybe that's going to be the basis to modify either support alimony or child support.
Yeah, and I think it really is. It's by case law, by statute. It is, as you suggest, Carly, very vague and intentionally so, so that the courts do have the discretion. But it's really looking at what was the facts at the time of the last judgment, and has something changed, and something that's in there, not just a change in circumstances, but that word that's so important, continuing. And that's really important to look at, a substantial and continuing change in circumstance. That is something as well.